Legendary Indian playback singer S. Janaki, affectionately known as the Nightingale of South India, passed away today at the age of 88. She breathed her last at Apollo Hospital in Mysuru following a sudden cardiac arrest while undergoing treatment for age-related health complications. According to family sources, her health had been fragile since January 2026 following the sudden demise of her only son Murali Krishna. Her granddaughter Apsara Vaidyula confirmed her peaceful passing through a statement on social media. Janaki Amma leaves behind a monumental musical legacy spanning 6 decades, having recorded nearly 48,000 songs in Telugu, Tamil, Kannada, Malayalam, Hindi, and several other languages. A powerhouse of talent, she won 4 National Film Awards and 33 State Film Awards. In 2013, she famously declined the Padma Bhushan, stating that recognition for South Indian artists arrived too late. She had officially retired from singing in 2017. The music industry and millions of fans worldwide are mourning the loss of one of India's greatest vocal icons.